Hello, folks, and welcome back to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. This video is going to be a little bit different than what we usually put out. I have something that I want to share with you, something that's I'm pretty excited about. When I started this channel a couple of years ago, I called it BC Renovation Magazine. And what I had in mind was a sort of a video type of a magazine, magazine in a video format. And those of you that have been following us along on the channel know that, we've been focusing pretty much on mobile homes. Mobile homes is something, that I've been doing lately. I'm a contractor for over 40 years, and I've done lots of different kinds of construction jobs. But my idea with the channel was to, focus on renovations, and it so happens that we're sort of focusing on mobile homes, but that's not necessarily the only thing that we have to look at. So um, I've been thinking, in that magazine format, one of the things that I wanted to do was involve other people in the channel and show their projects, what projects other people are doing. And I haven't been able to come up with a way to do that. And now YouTube has conveniently changed some things around, and now we have an opportunity to bring that idea forward. So basically, what I have in mind is to have folks share their projects on the channel. And, it's just not all about the projects that I'm doing. I personally would really like to see what you folks are doing. And, it doesn't have to be a mobile home project. That just happens to be the focus of the channel right now. As we move forward with the channel in the future, who knows where it's going to go. But if you have a project that you've been working on and are comfortable in sharing it with the rest of us, I would love to feature it on the channel. And the main way that we can do that is through our community page. And I'm just going to turn the camera around here to my computer here and just show you what I have in mind. So if you go to any of the pages, on our channel right now, you can see I'm on the home page. But you've got the header here which says videos, playlists, and then there's community, other things here. This community channel right here is the one that I want to work with. And if you click on that, what that does is it takes us to our community page. Now on the community page, some of you have been following along on the community page. But what this is it's sort of like a social media aspect of YouTube. And what I've been doing with the community page is sort of giving people sort of a sneak peek at some of the things that we're doing before we put up a video. And you can comment. You can. It's the same as the main video page. You can like or dislike. If you dislike it, hit that button twice. And then you can also make comments. And then we can sort of chit chat here on the community page. So up until recently, they've allowed me to put one photo with a post, like with a post. So on this one, this is one post, and then I was able to put one picture. But what they've done lately is they have opened this up so that we can post up to 5 pictures. So for example here, this is my last post, and this post was a sneak peek at the demolition. And so that video came out today, kind of where we were taking off the siding and stuff. I don't know, actually this that's this one here. This is another one for the next video coming up. But now we can post 5 photos in here. So if we just click on this little thing up here, now you can takes you through. And on this particular post, it's a bit slow here. I think I put 3 on there. It looks like I only put 2, but I can put up to 5 I can put up to 5 photos. So my idea is to feature your projects on the community page. And basically how that would go is you send me an email um, to my email, and with some, up to 5. We can put up to 5. If you want to send more than 5 photos, I can pick, but I can only put 5 on. And if you wanted to send me an email with some pictures and a description of what you've been doing, and if I think it's appropriate for the channel, I'll put it on. And just a little description of your project and some pictures, and that way we can share projects here. You're seeing my project, and then that way we could see your project. And I'll be careful with not disclosing anything about where you are, or who you are, or anything else. I think you probably noticed that I'm quite careful with that. But then there's an opportunity here for people to again, like or dislike or comment on it. And yeah, I think it would be fun, something fun to do. So depending on how much how well received this is, I'd like to do one a week, feature one of your projects a week. And it doesn't have to be a mobile home thing. It can be whatever you're doing around your house, around your home. If you're doing some landscaping, or putting in some not curtains, but cabinets, or a new bathroom, or just whatever you're doing. We'd love to see what you're doing. And so that's an idea. Now my email can be found if you go to the About page here. YouTube kind of hides it, but if you go to scroll down, you'll see down here it says view email address. Okay, and you got to do this crazy CAPTCHA thing, and there's our email address there. So the email address is just basically bcrenovationmagazine@gmail.com. So that's just the name of the channel, bcrenovationmagazine@gmail.com. So if you're interested in doing this, I know I've had some people send me pictures of their projects already in the past. I won't put those on without permission, but yeah, it seems like people would like to share their projects, and I would love to see them. Another thing is we've had some people ask if they could support us. Some people are finding the channel useful, and they're getting they think they're getting some good advice, and it's helping them to save money and stuff. And I've had people ask me if I have a way to that they can donate to the channel. And so up until now I haven't, but I have created for people to donate if you're so inclined. Again, I'm not soliciting donations. If you would like to donate, I would really appreciate that. But certainly there's no pressure or obligation for you to do that. But so what I've done is, if I have a link here in the header panel, so it buy me a coffee, and I also have one to PayPal. So if you would like to make a donation, if you click on either one of those, it will take you to this is the buy me a coffee one. And if you'd like to support me, you can buy me a coffee. Just click over here on support and buy me a coffee, and you can choose how many coffees you want. One coffee is $5. And Monica is my first one. She bought me 3 coffees today. And Monica, thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. You are my first supporter, and I really appreciate that. And I see I made some mistakes here. I did that on my phone, and it's really hard to see them on my phone. But yes, thank you very much, Monica. You're number one. So that's just something that if you're interested in, it's something that's a way that you can donate to the channel and just help us out a little bit. It takes quite a bit of time and to put in to make these videos, and if you want to support us that way, that's great. I appreciate that. So so that's it, folks. That's if you're interested in this, we'll see what kind of response we get. Again, my if we get a great response, I'll pick one a week. If this response is not so hot, then maybe I'll do one a month. If I get nothing, well, then we'll just forget about that idea. But yeah, it's YouTube is something that I play around with, and I enjoy the interchange. Quite a few people have emailed me and about their projects, and it's fun. I really enjoy that. So there you go, folks. If you're interested in sharing your project, send us an email with some pictures, and your permission that we're going to post it, and it'll show up on that community page. Yeah, let's have some fun with this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.